Hi everyone, this is tutorial 2 for RSA Archer basic training, and today we'll be discussing about some of the basics navigation of RSA Archer, as in what all screens are there at the home page, what are different terminologies, and how the solutions and the applications are structured together. So if you log in into RSA Archer, this is the home screen that you will be looking at over here. In this entire pan, on the left hand side, you'll be able to look at the tasks that are due in your queue. Right now I don't have any task to be done, so that's why it is showing me 0 task. In the middle pane of this, you'll be presented with the activities that you have performed in the past, or the notifications that have been sent by the platform to you as a user will be showcased in here. And over here, this is a very flexible pane. In here you can define the buttons or the reports you want to look at. So let's say I want to look at a button where I want to create a new record in application, let's say fourth party. So I can add simply, and there will be a new button in here which says new fourth party, and I can simply click on that particular button to load the form to create the new fourth party. So that's how that particular button works. And since this is Archer, you can add more and more buttons, whatever you like to create. In here, this is the home button. Clicking here, you will be at the home page whenever you want to. And then again, you can actually reconfigure your home screen. So this is something called task based landing page. But if you don't want to see a task based landing screen, you want to see a dashboard when you log in, you can define the dashboard. Okay, so let's say I'm a policy owner. I can select the policy owner dashboard in here and save it, so that whenever I log in and I select the home screen, it is the policy owner dashboard that will be presented to me. So you can define this home page very well as per your role in the organization. In here, what you look at is multiple solution areas, and within each and every solution area, if you expand further, there are the use cases that belongs to that particular area. So if talking about the regulatory and corporate compliance, you have policy program management, corporate obligation management, control assurance management, financial controls monitoring, business asset catalog, issues management, privacy program management, data governance. So those are the solution areas that makes regulatory and corporate compliance workspace. And again, each and every use case has its own set of applications which are kind of bundled together to create this particular use case. And again, this is a logical binding, not a hardcore binding. So policies is used in policy program management, but again, it can further be used in other solutions areas as well, wherever it is required. So that's how they are structured. Same way, you have further some quick links over here, like if you want to view the policies, search the policies, view standard controls, control standards, search control standards, view corporate objectives. So these are the links. Again, you can define your own links into Archer. Then if you want to have a look at all the reports in the platform, you will be clicking on report. The activities that you have performed in the recent past, you can look at clicking on the activity. If there is any task due, that will be presented here. And being an admin, you can land into the administration area where you can define the access controls, advanced workflow. We'll be discussing these areas one by one in the future tutorials, but that's how you can go into the admin workspace. And then over here, that's where you can define your own preferences as a user, your profile, your displays, your subscription to any email notification. So in Archer, you can subscribe and desubscribe the email notifications. That is something we'll be discussing in the future tutorials. Your login history, bulk action history, this is again a feature that Archer uses, the bulk create, bulk update feature that we'll be discussing. Data import is again a feature of Archer, we'll be discussing in the future tutorials. And then if you want to log out, this is the button. Over here, this particular space, this is your company logo. You can define the logo in here, and then over here also, this particular pane you can define for your own organization. So that's very basic of the landing screen and the navigation of RSA Archer. In future tutorials, we'll be discussing about more details, as in how do you create this landing page, how do you create the dashboard, the workspace, the reports, and how do you use in RSA Archer. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.